Okay, so today we're gonna have a look at the NAS 100. So currently, as it's been doing for the last few years, NAS has been in an uptrend for quite a long time. It's in a channel, it's in a daily channel, it broke, it hit the resistance here, came to the downside, came back and retested that resistance, came to the downside, found support at this diagonal support, and then just left Earth all the way up, creating these small intermediate levels, hitting the diagonal resistance again, coming back down, doing the same thing, and hitting the diagonal resistance again. So that's on the daily chart. Okay, so we're going down on the 4 hour. Let's see what is happening. Wait, let's go back quickly. As you can see, this formation looks awfully familiar. As you can see, we have a high, higher high, came back down, higher low, or lower high. That looks awfully like a head and shoulders formation, but let's look closely and see if we can identify if it's the case. So what we can see here is now it's created a level, came back down, tested previous resistance to support, went up, created a new high, broke back into the zone, into the channel, semi-retested the zone, created a new lower high. Now as you can see here, I'm already anticipating it drop to the downside. Let me just remove these arrows. As you can see, I like to keep price action plain and simple. Let's see, do we have a reason for selling NAS? As you can see here, that's the thing, so it started there, so okay, you see what NAS did as it removed that extended line. You see here, uptrend held, broke out, sort of consolidated all the way up, hit that level again, and then started to move to the downside. So now we have a low high. And what did price do? From that lower high, take our Fibonacci from that last high there, the most recent low. Let's see. Okay, let's just make that cleaner. We retraced. Is that the 61.8? In between the 61.8 and the 50%, we get an engulfing candle. That means we have momentum. So I would say it's pretty safe to say that we can sell NAS anticipating a drop to this level as TP number 1 and then this level as TP number 2. So that's why I had these arrows pointed out or drawn out. So it's safe to say NAS is gonna continue to the downside on the back of that massive drop. Let's see, let's have it like that. So yeah, that's what we're anticipating for NAS. NAS is a small, as you can see, downtrend formed. Let's clean it up a bit. Might go and touch there, consolidate it, and then drop. You know how volatile NAS is. We'll look at the US Open for further indication. Currently we are trading at level of support. It's failing to break. So break below, retest, and then continuation to the downside. So that's my take on the Nasdaq 100.